Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to dropship with AliExpress and Depop. Now, Depop plus AliExpress dropshipping can work, but I'll be real with you, it's harder now than people make it look. Depop is more about authentic, curated, thrifted vintage vibes, while AliExpress is a mass produced. So if you don't do it carefully, people will call it out fast. Okay, so Depop is a community based Gen Z audience values aesthetic, uniqueness, and transparency, while AliExpress, cheap suppliers, long shipping, huge product range. So the gap between them is where strategy matters. Okay, so the first thing that we are going to do here is to find the right products, and that is very important. Okay, so you can go for Y2K fashion, but before that, of course, you have to create your Depop account. So you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right. And then you just have to search for Depop, and then you have this website. So you just have to tap on this one. Now you will see the sell now option, so just have to tap on this option. Okay, and then you just have to sign up for the um, seller account, and then after that right here, just have to list an item. Now here you just have to open AliExpress. Okay, and then you have to log in or sign in to your account, so we can go for Y2K fashion, vintage style accessories, streetwear, aesthetic outfits, niche items, grunge, um, fairy core, and etc. Okay, so we need to avoid generic items. People can easily reverse search fake branded items because we will get banned. Okay, so here for example, we are going to search for streetwear. Streetwear. Okay, so for example, this one. So just have to tap on it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do here is we are going to choose a reliable supplier. Okay, so here on AliExpress, we have to look for 4.5 plus rating. Okay, for example, orders minimum 500 plus minimum orders, reviews with real photos, and then we can message the supplier if possible. Okay, so let me just go back right here. So for example, this one, so let's try to find products here with more sold. Okay, so let's just try to select the product that has okay, for example, this one 800 plus sold, so you just have to tap on it, and then we have to go here on the reviews, and as you can see, the ratings for the reviews for this one is 3.8 stars, and it did not reach our minimum rating requirements. So let us try to find another. Okay, so for example, this one. All right, so you just have to scroll down right here. So for example, we have 4.8, so we can select this one. Now if possible, we can actually message the seller. Okay, so for example, tap on the message option right here. Once you're here, just have to message the seller that you want to order items from them. So for example, this product. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to do is to rebrand the product. So this is the key. So you're not just reselling, you're marketing differently. So you can take better photos. Do not use raw AliExpress images if possible. You need to add styling, outfit combos, aesthetic backgrounds, rename product creatively, and silver necklace. So you need to name it like Y2K Starcore chain necklace. And for this one is you need to change the name of this cloth. Okay, so now going back to Depop right here. After you have your items with you, then you just have to take your own photos or even videos. Then you have to upload it right here. Okay, now the next thing that you are going to do, you have to price it smart. Okay, so after uploading the photos right here, you can add description, info, brand, condition. Okay, and then of course the price of the item. So for example, on AliExpress, the price of this streetwear, it's about $20. Okay, so we can sell it for $30 here on Depop. So for example, we are going to put here $30. Okay, so you are selling curation, aesthetic, and convenience. Okay, now you have to be transparent about shipping. So this is where most people fail. So AliExpress shipping 7 to 20 days, sometimes more. So um okay, so you need to tell or to be you need to be honest with your customers. So you can put in bio like shipping takes about 1 to 2 weeks, or say made to order, supplier shipped. And if you lie, you will get bad reviews and your account can be banned. Okay, now the next thing that you're going to do is how the process works, or the order process. So customers buys from your Depop store. So here, that's right. And then you go to AliExpress. That's right. And then you just have to enter the customer's address. So you need to order it yourself. So at step one, it's better also to order one on your own, so you can really get your own photos. You can create your own thumbnail for the item that you are selling. And then after that, once you've got more customers that are going to order from your store, then you can order more, and then you just have to input their details. So you just need to buy here. Okay, and then you just have to enter your customer's um, address, and then the supplier ships directly to them. Okay, and then you just have to remove invoices, branding if possible. Now for the customer service, this one is your secret weapon. Okay, so Depop buyers care about so fast replies, honest updates, and good vibes. So even if shipping is low, good communication saves you. You need to really take note of that. Okay? And of course, there are risks that you need to know. So Depop may limit accounts if complaints rise, long shipping, refund issues, people may recognize AliExpress items, and quality control is inconsistent. So this is why branding plus honesty matters most than the product itself. And you can also build a theme store, not just random items. You can post consistently. Depop algorithm loves activity. Use trending hashtags, bundle items, increase your order value, and eventually switch to bulk buying once you find a winning product. Okay, so those are the things that you need to remember if you are planning to use Depop and AliExpress for dropshipping. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.